Hello, in this short video I'm going to teach you guys how to deal with Tollerlane roundabout when you're taking 4th exit onto Duckworth Lane. Alright, we're heading towards the roundabout now. So we're going to follow the road ahead of the traffic lights first, and then we're going to come across the roundabout. Okay, because it's the 4th exit is the right turn, you will be approaching in the right lane. There will be a signboard on the left hand side. I'm going to pause the video there so you can see. There you go. So towards hospital, you will be taking a 4th exit. So it's technically a right turn. And then ahead, there will be 2 lanes. Obviously, you're going to approach in the right lane. So as you go past the traffic lights, there's a giveaway. You can see a triangle. Be very careful. Do observe on the right. Make sure you're giving people way coming on the right hand side. So you're going to still stay in the right lane. I'm going to slow the video down here. You've just gone past the first exit now, where the car is coming. Where the blue signs are, that's the 2nd exit. Now, this is the part where you need to be very careful. You should check your centre mirror, left mirror, and start swerving to the left over the keep clear sign. So at this point, you need to be in the left lane fully, and you're just going past the 3rd exit where the taxi is. Now you can see there are 2 lanes. You cannot be in the right lane. You're going to make it really difficult to move into the left lane. I hope this has made sense. Thank you for watching this short video.